Filipino phrases used when angry.
Bahala na. Whatever. Huwag kang makialam. It's none of your business. Naiinis ako. I'm upset. Hindi ka naman nakikinig. You're not listening. Tama na yan. That's enough. Itigil mo yan. Stop it. Ano bang ginagawa mo? What the heck are you doing? Sino ka ba sa tingin mo? Who do you think you are? Ano ba? What? Ayaw kong makipag-usap sa'yo. I don't want to talk to you. Niloloko mo ba ako? Are you kidding me? Nakakabigo naman ito. This is so frustrating. Ano ngayon? So what? Bingi ka ba? Are you deaf? Bulag ka ba? Are you blind? Lumayo ka nga sa akin. Stay away from me. Nakakainis ka. I hate you. Huwag ka nang magsalita. Stop talking already. Tama na sabi. I said stop. Tumabi ka. Step aside. Huwag mong hintaying mapuno ako. Don't wait for me to lose my patience. Punong-puno na ako sa'yo. I'm fed up of you. Sawang-sawa na ako sa'yo. I'm so sick of you. Humanda ka. You better be ready. Ano bang iniisip mo? What are you thinking? Nag-iisip ka ba? Are you even thinking? Hindi ka talaga nag-iisip. You're not using your head. Kasalanan mo ang lahat ng ito. This is all your fault. Dapat kasi nakinig ka sa akin. You should have listened to me. Dapat talaga hindi ako nakinig sa'yo. I shouldn't have listened to you. Iyan ang sinasabi ko. That's what I was saying. Sabi ko sa'yo eh. I told you. Wala kang kwenta. You're useless. Galit ako sa'yo. I'm mad at you.